Hello, my name is Fatma. So this week what I've done is that I've added this update function in queue instead of the previous clean function. So what this update function does is that it checks if the get alive of any unit is false or not. If it is false, it deletes it or deallocates it. Otherwise, it moves to this condition where it checks that if it is a bird, it will generate a power up. If it's hive, it will generate bees. If not, it will move to the next step. So in this way, we have also got rid of the render and move function which were separate, and now everything is being done in one function only. The next thing I have done is that I've added sound effects. So let me show you. This is the background sound when frog gets hit by a rock. Another sound is another sound is played when it eats the. So the game looks good so far. That now that we are done with this, we just have to add the screens loading function.
Okay, so this is the last update for the game. We have the birds coming in after a fraction of time, and all of them are dropping either different fruits or rocks. Okay, these will be caught or dodged by the frog, and as the frog moves forward, different bees will also come, which will sting the frog and then move ahead, unless the frog eats the bees. And at the end, there is a hive. It produces bees.
Hello everyone, my name is Miriam Hassan and I'm working on this file manager class right now. Um, so a file manager class, in a file manager class, a save file function saves the information about the player, which is always I had in a queue. And in queue, we are storing the information of rest of the units like enemy, tree, ground, etc. through traversing the queue and storing each information. Then in main, so this load file function is something that is left to be worked on, because we have to link it to our screen that when a player chooses to resume his game, then the load file function will be put in force. So for now, it's saving the information.
Hello there, guys. This was my final week and final code this year. This is my restart screen, which is inheriting from the screen base class. This is the object, texture object. These are the pointers. The buttons are actually going to appear on the screen. That's why I made the pointers over here. In .cvb, you can see I'm loading the image for the background, and I will be initiating the button later on. This is my won screen, which will actually display the won that you have won screen on the when you are done with the game. This is my instruction screen. I think I told about the screen in my previous video, but okay. So this the you can clearly see these. I have overloading constructor, and then draw button, which will help me to draw the button that it's a back button on the instruction screen. This is my lose screen and my button edge class. In this class or header file, I'm actually initiating and drawing my buttons, which is inheriting from the word class. My word class, where is it? Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, word class. There you go. My word class is actually inheriting from the character class, and the word is actually a group of characters, and then the words are printed on a button. So that's how I'm making the button. So that's how it looks when it runs. I'll show you. So this is my splash screen. I don't know. This is my menu screen, and these are the buttons I made through the buttons. And this is the U1 screen, and this will be my restart screen. That's it. Bye bye, guys. This was the last week, and we are finally done with OOP.
we did we finalized the project, and my classes were ground and tree. That the classes that I was in charge were ground and tree, and you can see the work that we have done here. And then there's other obstacle class which inherits two cactus and thorn. So this is the thorn class. Again, these are all simple classes, nothing important here. The main work is in the obstacle class, which is the parent class to those two, and it shows how the object moves and renders. So basically, this was the final week, and we had already completed most of the stuff. This week was just about integrating things together, and this was done mainly in the main file. So as you can see, the L textures were being loaded. Okay. The L textures are being loaded here. Then there are new objects being created for ground, tree, obstacles, and in the end these objects are being rendered, which is here, and they're all moved to a queue. So the queue, when the queue is updated, the objects get rendered automatically. The ground is being scrolled through this part, and in the end we are just deleting everything. So that's it. This was the final week of our project, and now we are thankfully done.
Till we're done.